In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Meta AI videos. If you've created a video in Meta AI and now want to remove it, the main thing to understand is that Meta AI usually ties generated videos to the conversation where they were created. So in most cases, deleting the video means deleting the chat that contains it. I'm going to walk you through the two main ways to do that using the desktop or web version, and I'll also point out a few important things to keep in mind before you delete anything. First, open Meta AI in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see your list of chats and previous conversations. Find the conversation where you originally created the video you want to remove. When you locate it, move your cursor over that chat so the extra options appear. You should see a three-dot menu next to the conversation. Click that menu, then choose Delete Conversation. After that, confirm the deletion when prompted. Once you do this, the conversation will be removed, and the generated video associated with that chat should be removed along with it. There's also a second method if you already have the conversation open. Instead of deleting it from the sidebar, open the specific chat that contains the AI-generated video. Then go to the top right corner of the conversation window and click the three-dot menu there. From that menu, select Delete. This is another direct way to remove the conversation that includes the video. Before you go ahead, there are a few important notes. At the moment, Meta AI does not offer a dedicated library page where you can bulk delete all generated videos at once. That means there isn't a single place to manage every video separately. In most situations, video removal has to be done by deleting the individual conversation where the video was created. Also, if there's any chance you might want that video later, make sure you download it before deleting the chat. Once the conversation is deleted, you may lose access to the generated video entirely. One more thing. If that video was shared to Facebook, Instagram, or another Meta platform, deleting the Meta AI conversation may not remove the posted version from those services. In that case, you'll need to delete it separately on the platform where it was shared. That's the full process for deleting Meta AI videos on desktop. Follow the method that matches what you see on your screen, and make sure to save anything important before removing the conversation.